What is up, YouTube? Dave with Kickfam back with yet another video for your viewing pleasures. Today, I have two things that I want to show you that we added to the Kickfam collection. And the first thing is a piece of clothing from a collab that a good friend, Richie Rukkus, and another friend that I've met through doing this IG and YouTube sneaker thing, and that is a gentleman clothing line that's called Midwest Native. These two guys met actually going to a party, from what I understand. They're both in this streetwear sneaker community, and they came together and did a collab called the Richie Rich collection. Richie Rukkus has his own YouTube channel, which is called Richie Rukkus, and you can follow him on Instagram, which will be here, which is Richie Rukkus _kicks. And let's get straight to it, because this piece from the Richie Rich collection is the hoodie, which is just straight fire. It is sort of a frozen yellow hoodie with a $sign, green $sign on the center of the hoodie. And then if you look real close, it has a nice pinstripe which says Rukkus down one line and Native down the other, showing you that this is a collab by both brands. Richie Rukkus I've known since we were kids, growing up in the same neighborhood here in Philadelphia. And like I said, Midwest Native, I've just met basically doing this sneaker thing through IG and YouTube. Both stand-up guys. Both have good ass clothing lines. Richie Rukkus' main clothing line is called Sneaker Things, which I will drop his website down below as well if you want to go ahead and check out some of his pieces on his website. Which, once you get there, be prepared to spend some money, because like I said, he drops stuff like this with Midwest Native, and then he has his own stuff, which is straight fire. And then you have Midwest Native, and he's another gentleman that has a clothing line which is called Midwest Native. I'll drop his website down below, and he actually just released two fire-ass hoodies, which I'm looking to add them to my collection here as well, to the Kickfam collection. And if you want to go ahead and check out his website, that will be down below. And they're two great guys, so go ahead and support them. I'll put their IGs, I'll put their websites, I'll put everything down in the description below. So get out there, check them out, support them. Get these guys some views, some likes, some shares. Buy some of their clothes, and you won't be disappointed when you do buy their clothes. Like I said, this is a fire-ass collab by them both. The Richie Rich collab. And for good measures, my man Richie and Midwest hooked it up by putting a pin that was part of the Richie Rich collection in the box for me, which is just the double R, the Richie Rich logo, which pretty much was claimed by my daughter, Mia. She wants to put it on her school bag, so it's pretty much claimed by her. So, like I said, Richie, Midwest, you did your thing on this hoodie. You keep doing your thing, and I'm enjoying what you're putting out. So thank you for the hoodie. Thank you for the pin. Go follow them. Go like their YouTube channels. Go like their IGs. Go buy some clothes, like I said. And let's get on to why we're actually here, which is the sneakers. Back in the middle of, I guess it was middle of 2018, Adidas released a sneaker that was limited. This sneaker had a re-release, a restock, December 14th, and I'm telling you, I have been lucky in grabbing these sneakers in the last couple weeks to add to my collection. And I thought this sneaker would be gone because it released on a Friday, and I work from 8 in the morning till I don't really get home till about 7 o'clock at night. So I actually thought I was never going to be able to get this sneaker because I thought it would be sold out. So I walked into Foot Locker up in Roosevelt Mall, and I saw a young lady trying on a pair, and I just turned to the sales associate and I said, "Hey, do you have any more of the Yeezy frozen yellows left?" And he said, "I have two. I have an 8.5 and a size 11." Now I'm a size 10 in sneakers, so just think of that. I'm a size 10. They had a size 11. The last Yeezy that I got was the Sesame, which was the last video I posted, and those were a size 10, and they were snug. So I turned around to the guy, sales associate, and I was like, "Yo, you know what? Let me try the 11 on." Bam, goes in the back, pulls them out, and there they are. Size 11, semi-frozen Yeezys, 350 V2, Adidas. And it was all they wrote. Once I tried those on, the fit, the comfort was amazing. Once I sized up from a size 10 to a size 11, they were amazing because if you watched my last video on the Sesames, I did put a little tagline down at the bottom that they were hard to get on out of the box, and then once you got them on in my regular size, they squeezed the hell out of my toes, which I learned from that pair, so I sized up on the next pair I got, and by sizing up, the comfort was amazing. So enough of me talking, let's just get to it. Here they are in the traditional 350 box that is a pull out. Bam. And here they are. Fresh ass Yeezy semi-frozen yellow 350 V2 Boost. May I add, Boost. Now, these are in a semi-frozen yellow colorway, which is basically a neon yellow and green prime knit upper. They also have the traditional gray waves across the sneaker from front to back. The laces are in that semi-frozen colorway as well. The midsole is in that translucent semi-frozen colorway, as you can see. And then you got the gum outsole with that fire ass boost. Bam. They also have the 350 V2 branding on the side in a nice red color that brings out, I mean, you can see that Supply 350 from a block away because that contrast is nice with the red and the semi-frozen colorway. Then they don't, as in Adidas, you usually have the standard 3 stripes on the side, but on all Yeezy 350 V2s, they do away with that, and they actually put it in the back of the heel in a 3M branding, which I dig. I really like that they do that. And it shows that they have a lot of respect for Kanye West to actually take their branding off the side of an Adidas sneak and kind of put it on the inside of a sneak where you're not going to see it much once it's on feet. So that shows that Adidas has respect for their people that they have designing for them, which amazes me for a company the size of Adidas to do. Usually companies that big are all about their branding everywhere. So for them to give Kanye West the go ahead to take that off the sneaker and put it inside, which it shows class for Adidas, so I give you thumbs up on that, Adidas. Other than that, it has the boost. It has the boost from front to back, which makes these probably the most comfortable sneaks out there. Now, I'm not one to say boost is life, but I will say boost is comfort. So if you have not gotten a pair of these yet, last week I was over at a mall called Cherry Hill in Cherry Hill, New Jersey, and I was actually in Foot Action. I was in Foot Action, and they still had a few sizes left in stock. So if you go around to some of the big sneaker chain stores and actually do a little bit of searching, you might get lucky if you want to grab a pair of these at retail. But if not, you can definitely go on StockX, and they definitely have them. They're above retail right now. They're ranging anywhere for a size 4 to a size 16. I saw it starting. The lowest price was a $235 for a size 10, which isn't bad, which is only about $15 above retail right now. And the highest price I saw was $623 for a size 16. So if you want to go ahead and grab these, hurry up, get on StockX.com or hit up their phone app and go ahead and grab them. Right above retail, not too far away from retail. If you're not in the big feet yacht club. Other than that, let's get some on feet for you. And I'm Dave with Kickfam. And until the next one, have a good night, day, whenever you're watching, and I'll see you on it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and then stabbing my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. Get me quiet all alone, they gon' notice when I'm gone. I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They going to school and they working a job but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock, nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring, I'm pouring my soul into every story I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master, I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going to